Open the feed gate slightly and adjust the eccentric speed so the material spreads uphill slightly faster than downhill. When 1/3 of the deck is covered, begin opening the air gate controls. As the deck continues to fill, open the gates enough to maintain fluidization. Adjust the eccentric speed, tilt, and air so that the bed is approximately twice as deep on the heavy end as it is on the light end. As the heavy discharge area fills with heavy contamination, adjust the outlets to maintain a bed of heavy material that extends from 8 to 12 inches from the heavy end of the deck. After you have obtained satisfactory results at low capacity, increase capacity incrementally. Begin by increasing the tilt. This moves the material to the light or clean product discharge. To correct this, increase the eccentric speed until the material is shifted back to the proper pattern with the heavy end twice as deep as the light end. Continue increasing tilt and eccentric speed alternately until you have the tilt at the maximum amount where you can still maintain the correct bed depth by adjusting the eccentric control. Next, open the feed gate slightly. This will increase the bed depth. Wait a few minutes and observe the change of material on the deck. As the bed depth increases, you will have to increase the air slightly to compensate for the thicker product bed. Continue increasing the feed rate until you can no longer obtain the desired separation.